The first early evangelists are single-parent families and low-income families. They are working multiple jobs to provide the necessities for their families. They don't have the money to spend on extra things like toys around the holidays. The second are those living in adoption centers. These children's lives are already full of trauma and uncertainties. The day is full of change, and each child may not have possessions of their own. The third is refugees. They are living in a world that is foreign to them, and they've had to leave their possessions behind to find safety. We will get our customers by creating a presence in the local community as well as an online presence. We will keep those customers by having our name recognition throughout the community and by having a place where people can donate and be a part of our organization. We will grow throughout referrals to customers that might be in need of our service. Our customers are more than just customers. They're people. We want them to know that we care about them and that they are loved and cared about. Here's an example of one of the flyers that will be spread throughout the local communities to help that community be a part of the service that will be taking place. Our key partners are a major part of the success of our nonprofit. We need to make sure that we have open communication with them in order to keep our flow of donations and volunteers running as smooth as possible. There are always some risks involved with our partnership categories. Many toy stores could decide that they don't want to donate or that they don't want the donation bins located in their stores. There could also be a loss of interest with volunteers, especially when it's not during the holiday season. Many people don't understand that this is something that needs to be planned and that toys need to be collected all year long in order to have enough to fill the need for the holiday season. Some major points on our key resources include the employees and the volunteers at the nonprofit feeling that they are also important. They need to see that they are making a change in a child's life. We will need to trademark the slogan of the company as it grows, and we also need to go through financial donors like Fundly and Double the Donation to help this nonprofit get the funding needed to help the storage and get the corporate offices rented.